In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add spouse on TurboTax. If you're working through your tax return and need to add your spouse's information, this process is pretty straightforward once you know where to click. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along inside TurboTax without getting lost. To begin, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on My Info. This section is where TurboTax keeps the personal details connected to your return, including your household information. Opening this area is the first step because that's where you'll be able to add another person to your tax profile. Once you're in My Info, find and click on Add Another Dependent. Even though you're adding a spouse rather than a child or dependent, this is the option shown on the screen that takes you to the next setup page. So if the wording seems a little unexpected, don't worry. Just continue with it. On the next screen, click on Another Person. This tells TurboTax that you're adding someone who doesn't fall into the more common dependent categories listed there. After selecting that option, click Continue to move forward. Now you'll arrive at the form where you can enter your spouse's basic personal information. Start by typing in the first name exactly as it should appear on the tax return. Then enter the middle initial, if applicable. After that, type in the last name. It's a good idea to enter these details carefully and match official records whenever possible, since small mistakes in names can sometimes create issues later in the filing process. Next, enter the date of birth in the requested format. Take a moment to double check everything on this page before moving on. When all the information looks correct, click Continue. From there, continue entering the remaining information TurboTax asks for. The exact questions may vary depending on your filing situation, but the key thing is to complete each field accurately and review your entries as you go. If you're not sure about a detail, it's usually better to pause and verify it rather than guess. As a general tip, make sure you're adding information in the correct profile and tax year before continuing, especially if you've worked on more than one return. That can help prevent confusion and save time later. And that's how to add a spouse on TurboTax. Once you complete the remaining prompts, your spouse's information should be included in your return and you can move on to the next part of the filing process.